Hey Invest Friends! Napansin niyo ba yung halos 20% price jump ng Robinsons Retail or RRHI stock prices sa G-Stocks PH app niyo last week? May malaking balita kasi gustong bilhin ng JE Holdings ang shares ng RRHI to take the company private. Magkakaroon sila ng voluntary delisting sa PSE. Kaya kung hawak mo to, stop scrolling. A tender offer to buy back your shares at 48.30 per share is brewing. Kaya you'll notice that RRHI stock prices, which were trading below 40, gapped up to 46. Fair ba ang offer? Interestingly, brokers are noting that while the offer represents a premium over the average market price, the offer might actually be below the company's true intrinsic value. In short, kikita ka base sa current market price pero posibleng mas malaki pa ang totoong halaga ng RRHI. Pero hindi pa ito 100% sure deal. May mga conditions pa tulad ng clearance from the Philippine Competition Commission or PCC, board approval, and they need to reach at least 95% ownership para makapag-delist. Kung pumalya yan, cancel ang deal. Yan ang tinatawag na deal risk na dapat mong bantayan. As a G-Stocks PH investor, anong options mo? Hindi ka required na i-tender o ibenta ang shares mo. Pero, if they get all the requirements and the company goes private, hawak mo ay isang unlisted stock. Magiging issue ang liquidity dahil wala ka ng market na pwedeng pagbentahan. Kaya if you are prioritizing certainty, consider locking in the offer price near 48.30 pesos by tendering or selling. Kung bago ka palang bibili, pumasok ka lang kung willing kang i-take ang deal break risk at illiquidity risk. Laging pag-aralan ang options mo para hindi maipit ang pera mo. Explore G-Stocks PH today and follow your invest friends for more market updates.